Once you've downloaded and opened the Arduino IDE, you'll come to this screen. So it has just the outline of a program. One of the first things you need to do is actually connect your board to the program. So if you go up the top here, you click on Tools. First thing you need to do is choose the board that you'll be using. So over here, board, I go down my list and I'm choosing an Arduino Uno or a generic equivalent. And then you also need to choose the correct port where you'll send the programs to. Now at the moment I haven't plugged my device in. If you're not sure what the name is for your device, have that open, and then when you plug in your device, you should see the port open up. There we go, the port's now appeared. It wasn't there before. So if I click on that one, it's now going to push whatever code I write to the correct board. If you have troubles with pushing your code to the board, just check those two settings again. You got the correct board and the correct port. Once you have written your code in here, or you can write it elsewhere and paste it in. So let's put in some code. At the top here, you can click on this upload button, which will push your sketch, your program, to your board. So if I just click on that, it will ask you to provide a name for your project and click save, and it pushes that project out to your board. Down on the bottom here, it does tell you if it's uploading, and this will show you if there's any errors. There were no errors for this project, so this project is now running. What you can also do, you can save your project, so then you could possibly choose it from a list, and you've also got an open button, so you can open up existing projects. So I've got a list of other ones I've previously saved. There we go, it opens up in a new screen, and you've also got this button here which allows you to open up a new project. The use of the new project is, let's say you've pushed this program to your board and it's making lots of noise. It won't actually stop running until you do something else. So that's where you can open up a new project and push that back out, upload that, and that'll just upload the starting conditions to your board. So your board will stop running the previous program. For some projects, you will need to use the serial monitor. Just to show you where that is, if you click on Tools, click on Serial Monitor, brings up this screen. You may be asked to change certain settings, and then there'll be data that appears scrolling on the screen here.